How to use auto velocity on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create the auto velocity effect on CapCut. So to get started, simply import your video that you might have. So I'm going to go with new project and I will be taking this video from over here. And once you've added your video, so the velocity effect is like a flashing white effect. So what I want to do is maybe I want to add my first effect when the person starts dancing. So what I will do is I will put my preview right over here and I will go on ahead and click on edit and I will click on split. And once I split it from over here, I'm just going to preview it like so. Once I have the preview over here, once I've splitted it in that section, what I like to do is I just like to, expand it a little. So once I've added a little split effect, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit and I will click on speed and I will click on normal and I will just move it a little faster from the split section like this. And what I like to do with that is I also like to, once I've added a simple little split effect and a faster speed effect, what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on overlay and you will click on add overlay and you can go into stock videos and just select a white plain video and click on add. Now you're going to rotate this and place it right over the video. Reduce the time to as small as you possibly can. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select this overlay and you're going to drag from over here and you're going to go into opacity and you're going to turn down the opacity to get, one of that sparking effect. Now, once you've done that, we're going to go back. And you can see we have this section, and once it's down, this move is completed. I'm going to go back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on split once more, and I will click on speed, and I will move the speed back to normal, like so. And after that, the video can continue on from normal. So I have this little section, and then in this way, you can enter these sections over and over again. So I will do it once more like this. And you can also, in the section where you have sped it up and entered your opacity section, you can also go into the basic camera section and click on the effect section or the social media section. You have a bunch of different basic transitions that you have, and you can click on the basic one and just go with the flashes one just to further enhance the look of your filter. So just like that, you have this, and then it goes back to normal speed, so it looks very nice, and it's a very simple and effective way to add the velocity effect on your CapCut videos. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.